CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Given a scenario, manage and configure basic security settings in the Microsoft Windows OS. Defender Antivirus. Windows Defender Antivirus is your built-in security guard for Windows, constantly running in the background to protect your system from viruses, malware, and other threats. This feature is controlled independently, but is still part of Windows Defender. Now most of the time, it takes care of itself, but knowing how to activate, deactivate, and update it ensures your system stays secure when it matters most. By default, Windows Defender Antivirus is already active, but there might be times when you need to turn it off. Perhaps you're installing another antivirus program or troubleshooting a particular issue. To manage Windows Defender Antivirus, start by opening Windows Settings and select Update and Security. From there, choose Windows Security. And then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Once you have navigated this far, you will see an option labeled Manage Settings. Once you select Manage Settings, you will be presented with the option to activate and deactivate real-time protection with an on-off toggle button. Just remember, turning off real-time protection leaves your system exposed, so only do it when absolutely necessary and reactivate it as soon as possible. Now, let's talk about updates. Keeping your virus definitions current is essential, because that is how Windows Defender Antivirus knows what new threats to watch out for. Thankfully, this feature updates automatically through Windows Update, but you can also check for updates manually if needed. To do this, we will head back to the Virus and Threat Protection section. Here you will see an option to check for updates. By clicking through and performing a manual update, you will ensure that you are always using the latest virus definitions, which keeps your system protected against even the newest forms of malware. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.